it is so you nakedness editorial will back in any way. Bibi allow that. Even the Bible doesn't allow that. At the bonyan kasankasa Jacob kese neba because one ne yire ko die. Enya the papa say nakedness oba na be man po be ma oba ana unya po hu nakedness.
Shonko eba too much GH every day so meeting Eden and ama also an dano and sema AC or money emu and I'm just somewhere away every day so now make call and seminal no a year will penny power that head of foster care unit a year kakra a year social welfare for a woman about ponte abekasa etia a year MZBEL the Instagram post be a what they ato ne Instagram honum na post no emu no a video a recording ne ba wo dware no wo dware no bathtub no emu na no e na openi Mr. Samuel Anaglate the head of the foster care unit no obaka say tia said that be fata say e oba tan o ne wo ba no ebe fa sa ekwan no efresan say akwa no ye den a obenyi na bi wo so a abatan to na mobi a wo mondwen nkola no eda ache no ehun na obenyi na tese sa video yi a wo dware a wo twa ede abeto social media yi na dafo bi be yi ache na no ama akra no etimi nya adwemu yare anase di krapo ebetimi ase e wa akra no na ne development emu ntebe ya awofo entwe mo emfri yes anyama no se wo mo ma won sem wo mu private issues no mo de to social media no ohun ni se em wakra nti e na wa be condemn MZBEL na busa for asem we ebi e wo mu pa nti na ntwa me ho e de aba me ba me de ka wo no e de be ma mo
fitiani asese ni din and your friend saying mechanic. Zana prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no baby a me hwe bia ma change afro and ma ba too much GH. Share na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe.
Ebusa for me sanso emamo akwaba shonko ebiem. Edumeko eboyechi ema ye de eye yedumede ebramo. Eye Mama Juliet Ventures. Me di mo dance ya na me nim de mehu entia. Eye wo kitchen esiesie nko adea maame no obo no modern brand akese wiache ankofo dodo na agidi meka Kenwood German chef ene de keka ho binato munia no de ho adwuma enu ti bomodea efa ne number no ewo ase ho anase locate no ewo Abekala Pass no on sort out eye kitchen nko adea na ye Mama Juliet Ventures me guest eye Miss Mexico nyaninia Imo akwaba.
Mini aba. Nana mo usu aba kope.
Ba kope.
Meje wo so jojo.
Se bia moko.
Ya me adum nti bibia ye fine na won so e.
Meti ase na me ai madum.
Ye de rade ase.
Amen. Na ye ko nkomo no so ne mbo ne tete wo. Me no na share video no we hu bibia e wo. Na me bisa MZBEL video na wo dware ne pa no e wo ma kese. Bibia koso video no se na abeto about no boni bi fom so bi wo
yo mini aba me da wase se wato question we ho am media ma me chia with your phone wash phone na
too much so
me chia mu nyala
omo je so
okay mini aba yen papa a ogine Mr. Samuel Anaglate mebo me nsemu de amano if we say when it comes to youth first view of that no yen dream ko echiresa won ye be won say normal because me share ye no anyway me hu no normal because now on washing ho ye bibi and that so ajeja but this view and there is no recording and social media we will delete cry will be there on delete obi on delete nti ye dan ya reference bia obetimi use and abofran so unim ni future baby obepie baby obekwa akodru in one obepese obetwe na sign But ono esan so ye mbofra nwa dwuma o wonimudie our far ahead view of implication bi aya na awofo ne de mbofra fema
masman bisa no way from masem no so
there be meba so
okay
ubusa me se me hu ni ye ana me
video ni me se me hu view of video no answer na about Mr. Samuel's case ni so
and I make can see asem so say when it come to me any youth ni bia ye be fa ne say eye normal ye hu insonsanso to say the entire me bo me say mama no from beginning they say when we deeper than many of the viewers saw it.
Okay.
Me when I read the story into details and I realizing say this man is so caring and sensible and very effective in his field of work. Because a future you plan now wako into it no. Honestly, me when I saw the video, I was like, hey, MZBEL, one of her things, or have a fun. She's trying to show, say, they are cool in the house. One say it was like an advertisement of what a motherhood is. You are not paid, no salary, no off. Like, but definitely you are always committed, and she's doing it with full of love. So when I read all those things, I was even touched. Oh, those so adorable. But later, when I heard about Mr. Samuel condemning her, I wanted to know why. Why? Because viewer, me opinion about it, you know, I saw nothing wrong. But after I go into detail with what was written, the information, the meaning of his condemnation, I realized the man is doing well.
The man is doing wrong. Okay. Yeah, sure. I trend a word that I say celebrities and in for the donor person who celebrities for lifestyle. Or for person who celebrities for anthem. Celebrity near and just say celebrity be a nya yes say wa ban no put the ban one sema to. And now no ga say private life crash to abontia. Obia ko shebi because momo person won be. You won't say and that's celebrities paste o mo man pictures o mo affair o fie aduane a wo di odaye no ho last video bi cry ehu ya metibabo reference ya say big sister na Ama Brown ono ne ba baby magazine water friend nsa ehu ya me go for do na aka say me ehu anything wrong with it and go for do na aka say ai enu nti such things ehu o celebrities no emu de dada it is dear significant and the MZBEL yeah or then the banner or during the banner just one show off everything okay a man is significant to say that year Pia a bit me send that
oh nanama the man was really right. Oh that for one someone once Bofani be put on some actor is funny and I will share effect now and yeah anything bad future crowd who say unim se mbofra de aya na omusa yetimi ya nyoma bia kekeye kiros abofra oria and they are very interesting people to be with. In such moment no utimi share ka any effect abofra wa stubborn na ebia u person punish na pacho show wisdom. Oh mommy relax, oh mommy I beg you, I will not, you know, those ones are interesting. A tutti you like to share so that someone can even laugh about it. Where a nakedness.
So the very fact saying nakedness.
That makes it wrong. A nakedness and a wood jareno. Yen fan is a ocean details or my example be a benya effect war abu franning. Say when you been a president. Now opposition won't na campaign koso. Na obi betumi akwa refer to ne childhood video be a course so ayi ne ho ogina baff mo incoming president and I say ebi ayi ne crampo in power na yakoyi ne mbofrasi picture naked one ayi dware na. Do you think it will be nice to look at it? It will not be nice to look at it. Enti adie bia ye mu bi yen hwe ya ye hu what is wrong no. ono bu from we juma na oye na me ye sure say wa ya wa experience onim damages e cause embufra a lot. At times you wouldn't know what you are doing wrong, but people observing from afar your experience implications. So when they come out to voice out something to you, I say ofa is serious na at least ofa bibi ewo because any day bia na obey bibi a oye right.
Oh, but most of us every na you so no. My mama me go dware yan abontin pan we dwale wo. I think that up to the age of 10 years cry na that's what dware abontin.
And now obebu samia e very wrong and ye common.
Inye common.
And then ye common to say first no ye can ni bia. Na eni bia emu wo mani bia in their own way. But eni bia sheda ni wo say na mbofra kra be wo mo no mani atede da. Ye computer babies. Timi di agora ye mommy and daddy. Na ye mbofra bone nyoma. And then so ye exposed to television. A whole lot goes on the telly.
Okay.
Ye exposed to romance. These telemonados. All the time romance, nakeds. And the kids need me 25 minutes. Na bofra te ho. Who say TV no? Who it's a sound. And I say who Jesse so no ask me in any say. And then bofrano. Want to say tetenem bofrano. And then bofrano wa mo beto and I say mommy, I've not come for breast milk. I've come for soup.
Hey, wait dear.
Soup, mini aba.
Sir.
To me those days, when you say bibi and kosu. And no ma rape course. Rape baby, and then rape gravity a 1-1. I just say parent be obey colors kaka no ni fiana kele and abufra. All man who crying under pressure more jeja ne ho. But it's in na rape kosu papa. Because of this abufra o jayo abontin na neighbor ni niwa. Say we expose obano. Enti ni hu enti we hu. And now I attracted to obey monitor wa da obey access to abufra pen. Nene akono no wakote so. Or the na kote ne hot so. But ne rape say that common because of sanyom. And now when it comes to spiritual side then so I na any bonnet mi share abufra no sesane destiny abufra ni benina or yembe masem obenina na wari enkoyi ebeni enye insunsu so bia na ye hu ne physical.
Okay.
It is an life no enye say ube what say omo share half naked cramp ye complaining. Na wabo obi adeja dini jina any thousands say be kwan na muja ene wan how many times I wanna ma say ye dware abofra wo kwan wo.
Is that the moon 1 but yanko main issue the top. Celebrities for no so dream be say okay me nya stardom maybe intimin pavy way e ma me so me ba no so intimin jidin because I don't know any near for advertisement here be ti di bia bo no do ma bata ho bibia no mma no wo mu bi se na be ya ebedu be penso bi so mu nni wo krampa na yenim so mo mani nti mo take over na no aye easy access mom and no be so nya stand easy sa ti no mo pavy way no e de mo mma no na enti oye ne sa na odi pe ne ba ne dachi ne den diem na etimi sa ba back be affect akra no say ni mama no mo pere dachi opa ma na sa ba bi ma be affect on we.
Oh say upe bi that intentions na nya bad. Say we started promoting ubano from childhood, but use your common sense. Sebi.
I don't know.
So use your common sense. One say ne bano oba ebi wo kasa very intelligently. One so aklani nimunyansa promotion. A very good idea because there was last time Okasa managed the way he spoke and people were even commenting say president and all that. It's not bad. But what essence does it make? Say, who driving in your bathroom, showing it to public. Okay, in this case, what does it promote about the boy?
So no one from the caption, no advert say motherhood.
And I'm saying that it doesn't promote the boy, as you were saying.
That's it. They advert.
say who question a ubusa mu gina so say omo ye nyoma bi di promote omo mba no say na ebe ya ono ne field ni abofali be no you know already. But I'm telling you some of the characteristics are we are and no chance we promote abofra no such as what she did. So dware no chair publicly no and promote abofra no in any way.
Do so who say you're wrong.
And no, yeah, and I mean, from the view, I mean, first need yeah, me when say wrong, but later when I read in detail with what Mr. Samuel meant, me will say, wako deeper, and it's very true, and he was right. Once a youth, yeah, bad there, you maybe why so.
Okay.
But experienced man will tell you, put you people wrong, say, yeah, most so no, and you're very wrong. Aside that, aside the implication, so and bata hun nyina tuja me bubo so bi de kire wo. Say obeye president opedwuma bi oni obi ye every
people so nya no me aware of it.
Aha, ni na onu ehu ahead.
Nti ususu say
you can promote the child all right.
Okay.
But use your common sense, send your feedback that will come to you, no. Bebu wa babe, and I say meaning wrong of what you are doing.
Okay, Matu I say okay.
Because you dem fire advert, they be Disney TV.
Oh, they on
Hannah Montana or starting acting since childhood, and only ye no ye actress Tonyom and Selena Gomez. Ye you soon fit mbofrase. Only ye mo na wa jinsem. Any Hannah Montana so what jinsem. So enti ubetime use no, but how are you using your child? How are you promoting the child? Who promoting na lete nyanso so aso won so na che say one promoting the crowd.
Oh baba see, hold your horses me pasity a. Na no nti no. Wo de wo pa che na say do wo di wo se ma ka dia nke wo di sisi ne say e hu nya say celebrities no be yes am omuma no.
Omo be ye din am omuma no.
So me advertise omuma no man be to abonten sa.
Me ka say nyina man ka bibia sa. Me say betimi advertise omumba no all right. But a kwan where a manner be use advertise omumba, they should check it well. Say ne be ya omu intentions ni bebe mu comment beba and direct no enquire bad. And enquire bad news to them.
Okay. Okay, Mati was saying. Na no nti ususu say ne nkofo punish ekwapem polo awo mo kan no asem bi ka say ye betwe di kra fini so ne din eda no so mo ye fini so ni hu nsem ene woko ha okoda je oni sensem nya me for the same thing ending this banner because in the same line
minia ba yet MZBEL warning and an indirect alert say don't repeat yourself because now ye hu no ebia ene ero wo ne ho ene nyoma ne ndaso. But next time no ebia na wa mana ye den akoda so emba ne tse ne soap wo ne ho a na ebia ne be ma ne ndaso a almost stopping almost preventing the crash before it will get worse. But ekwapem polo the no was different. She was naked herself and an so was ordinary gina nenim, and the boy was totally what naked before the mother. Is the same sin. Does it look alike?
Now see one of MZBEL videos, recorded videos with Tracy Boacheno. No, the bathtub. Bathtub you should be to mention the can with brass.
No, I know ya. Tie. Nana. Ekwapem polo dieno was so bad in the sense say herself was naked. It makes it bad. Very wrong.
I thought MZBEL was naked.
MZBEL was not naked.
Me can.
Me can on any banner no.
And
I will compare to ni say em punish.
And me I mean can say Mama Joe, the main part and say we have seen already in another video MZBEL time na odi Tracy Boacheno to kwa ne shasi a omo kasa we kana we akano. No the bathtub. O dware on the bathroom and the banu so ewo hobi. We didn't say anything about it because now the bunny interest. And this time around, what's about back at this time around? No, the ban no direct, no dress. Is it not the same situation?
Okay, Ray, you can conclude say or that back in the mono. Or you know what any balance and autumn. Obeti or a matured woman. She knows some things. Definitely. Ubeti me Jaria obejina or may I will not do it. But let's see it this way. Ta will be fran. Bi ani bani jina wono ohun de we obe ra e bath nim abofra ne ho hwe e na odemu ewuro wo ne ho ebi kra see ne ba ya no pamo ne say go out. How will you know? Etinya ye hu ye hu se we yi no ho or da bath mu meboa. Was she not covered with the water? Was she not covered with the water? Was she not covered with the water?
According to you, water can cover you up.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Leather water can cover you up.
Okay.
Let's take it like that because you won't say or you're naked. So maybe how we saw it later or pamon so yeah to me engineer no so nka say or yeah if you capim polo the any be. A capim polo the any a different thing altogether. And MZBEL the any a different thing to be any punishment and they comment a be attractive.
Okay. Or there in your final words, no, then I will catch a wolf on man. It's a more manual life, or more private issues now. What they better on social media platforms as well.
Okay. Obibi I will share me. Na I will for a maba. Mbofra no omo dachi. Ye training mo omo a. My fire bra bobi a ye bono. En tare mbofra yi. Ebia obenyi kwenye actress na actor bi oba abeye ebi obeye ni partitriu bia ni dimbete na maimu nyina na ebia wo suban bia wo there na the years ago ba be prevent oba no from going higher and ebe se na ni monyam yenhwe ye mba yie ye mom titiye yie oba enso you nakedness e de kire wo ba. In any way, Bibi allow that. Even the Bible doesn't allow that. At the bonyan kasankasa, Jacob kese neba because one ne yure ko die. Enya the papa say, nakedness oba na be man pobema oba ana unyampo hu nakedness. Yen hye nso. Na me expose ye ho nche ye mba omoba ye actions bia ye taking a man bofra nso omobenyi be ye mbofra papa na say mbofra boni
amesi no no aka ni nia egum na wo nso a wo hwe betimi afemofutu no wa hye e de ama adofo bisuafo no mo so ama frebi e de atom kotodwom de abobra na me kan san follow ye e we IQ page at @TR0UBLE_ me de na ama ogusa mene Miss Mexical ene na yesi nkonya etwetwe nkomo na me ya doma ye besan edi enhyemu bi makram